What's up, everybody? Today I'm reviewing a powerful GPS tracker for your car or truck. So whether you have a fleet of trucks you're trying to track, or just maybe a spouse or your kids if you're not sure where they're going. This one's got a super short magnetic base and an impressively long battery life. Let's see how it can help you stay in control and keep track of what matters. Stay tuned for the whole video. So this is the tracker. It's got a big magnet on it. You attach it under the wheel well, or pretty much anywhere under the carriage over vehicle, truck, trailer, anything that you have that you're trying not to lose. Also works great with ATVs. We actually got this for ATVs, so we can track where our kids are going, basically on the trails, because we want to make sure they're not going to neighbors' areas on the farm. It comes with a USB Type-C charging. Basically, charge the tracker for 8 hours, download the app on the phone, sign up on the cloud, and then you have to activate or buy a subscription. Otherwise, if you don't have a subscription, what you're going to have to do is essentially just attach this, leave this on for a duration of time, maybe a week at a time, and then pull it. You connect this to the computer and you can download the information directly. Also, there is a little card here. This is the card. It's a SIM card basically. It's inside this larger piece, and then this goes in, and then you have to get a subscription for this in order to track it in real time on your app. So this is how you track the location of your GPS. Simply log into the app in your mobile, click track, click on the vehicles list icons to view the list of any vehicles that you may have assigned. Click on any vehicle you want to track. You will get this information in real time. You can select the satellite view, or you can select traffic icon to see the traffic conditions. You can also share the vehicle location temporarily with someone else who is authorized as a user on the app. It's got a pretty long battery life, but it depends on how you use the device. So it's great for keeping track of your kids on trails or snowmobiles to see where they go, to make sure that they're not being silly.